Good morning, students. Now open your mental maths book. Come to the chapter 1 and page number is 1. Right? Okay. Now come to the question number 11. So are you ready? Okay, students. Color U minus A. Right? It means that U minus A is the complement of a set A. Now, in this diagram, you have to show U minus A. And students, you know very well, I told you each and everything, so do it yourself. Now, come to the question number 12. Here, find A union B. A set is given to you, B set is given to you, so find A union B. Question number 13. Okay, now come to the question number 13. Is the set A is equals to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, so on curly bracket finite or infinite? Right, students? So I will tell you the definition of finite. A set having, right? A set having a finite number of elements is called a finite set. It means limited elements, right? These are the elements, so limited elements is called the finite. Now, second definition is infinite. A set having unlimited number of elements is called an infinite set. It means that unlimited number of elements. Now students, you decide which answer come here, finite or infinite. Write it down over here. So write it down over here. Now come to the 14. Find A minus B. A set is given, B set is given, so A minus B, do it. Now A intersection B is equals to B intersection A is which property? So you know the name of the property. A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Write it down, name of the full property here. Now write in tabular form A set is equals to the set of days of a week. So again I will tell you the definition of tabular form. Tabular form is if we list all elements of a set within the braces and separate each element by using a comma is called the tabular form. Right, students? So it's easy for you to write it down over here. Tabular form. A set is equals to curly bracket. Yeah, braces. Both the meaning are same. The set of days of a week. It means Monday, Tuesday. You know very well. Days of a week. So write it down over here. Now, color U minus A. You know very well. So do it yourself. Okay. Come to the 18. Write the set of whole numbers. You know, write it down, set of whole numbers. Okay. Round bracket A intersection B, round bracket, right? Intersection C is equals to A intersection round bracket B intersection C is which property? So again, one more property. You have to write it down, the name of the property. Draw a diagram to show A union B, right? A union B. So student, with the help of Venn diagram, A union B, show it over here. And okay, thank you girls. Now 20 questions are complete. Second 10 questions.